Dear students, in this session we will discuss about codes of ethics and its various parameters that is necessary to form the codes of ethics. Let us discuss what is codes of ethics is. The codes of ethics exhibit rights, duties, obligations of the members of a profession and professional society. The codes exhibit the following essential rules. Let us discuss it one by one. The code exhibit the following essential rules. The first one is inspiration and guidance. The second one is support to engineers. Third one is deterrence and discipline. Fourth one is education and mutual understanding. Fifth one is create good public image. Sixth one is protect the status quo. Seventh one is promotes business interest. Let us discuss one by one of the essential rules in this chapter. The first one is inspiration and guidance. The code expresses the collective commitment of the profession to ethical conduct and public goodness and thus inspire the individuals. They identify primary responsibilities and its parameters and provide statement and guidelines on interpretations for the professionals and the professional societies. So this inspiration and guidance is very essential in engineering participation and code of conduct. Next one is support to engineers. So this is very important parameter in the code of ethics. The codes gives positive support to the professionals for taking stand on moral issues. Further, they serve as potential legal support to discharge professional obligations. So the company has to provide proper support and the public has to provide proper support to the engineers to contribute the project to the society. The next parameter is deterrence and discipline. The codes serves as the basis for investigating unethical actions. The professional societies sometimes revoke memberships or suspend or expel the members when proved to have acted unethical. This sanction, along with laws of respect from the colleagues and the society, are bounded to act as deterrent. So the discipline and deterrence is very essential code for running a engineering project. Education and mutual understanding. Codes are used to promote discussion and reflection on moral issues. They develop a shared understanding by the professionals, public and the government on the moral responsibilities of the engineers. The board of review of the professional societies encourages moral discussion for education purposes. So the education and mutual understanding of implementing the project with the public and to the society and engineering aspects is very essential for running a engineering project. Create good public image. The code represents positive image of the committed profession to the public, which helps the engineers to serve the public effectively. They promote more of self-regulations and lessons to the government regulations to the public. This is bound to raise the reputation of the profession and the organization in establishing the trust of the public to implementing any kind of project to the people located area. So this is very essential criteria in code of conduct. Finally, promotes the business interest. The code offers inspiration to the entrepreneurs, establish standards, share the standards, healthy competition which is going in around the society and maximize profit to the investors, employees and consumers. So at end of the project, we need to promote the business to the society and to the customer. So this is very essential codes of ethics in a project. The codes are not a remedy for all situation. Let us discuss the limitations of codes. They have many limitations that we can see it now. General and vague wordings. Many statements are general in nature and hence unable to solve all kind of problems. Next one is it is not applicable to all situations. Codes are not scared and need not to be accepted without criticism. Tolerance for criticism of codes themselves should not be allowed. Only a few enroll as enrolled as a member in professional society, and non-members cannot be compelled. Even as members of the professional society, many are unaware of the codes. Different societies have different codes, right? It is applicable from companies to company and case to case. The codes cannot be uniform or same. Unifying the codes may not necessarily solving the problems prevailing various professions, but attempts are still made towards the unified the codes for various processes. Codes are said to be coercive. They are sometimes claimed to be threatening and forceful. These are all the limitations of codes in ethics. Thank you all.